Hello guys, welcome back to Isaac Magic Trading Community and Academy. Actually, we started the course and it's very amazing. We started on Monday, yesterday, and it's been very, very great. We start from basic for everybody to be successful traders. We just start from basic so that nobody will left anything that we're not told since he started trading. And we have experienced traders in our room, we have advanced traders, but because the course is not designed for only one person, it's designed for everybody. So we decide to go from basic to advanced. So everybody will pick, no matter who you are, you'll be able to understand how to trade. Okay. So before anything, I will take you through the forecast of the pairs of the day, so that this week you might be able to get some money, make some money. And if you look at the Isaac Magic Community channel, we had the GBP, we had the buy from yesterday, and me personally, I took it and I told all the guys to take it as well, and they make some nice money. And we are waiting for pullback to buy again. So some of us are in already for the buy, some of them are waiting. So we're gonna look for this trade today. Okay. So anyway, let's start from the card. The Aussie card is still looking for downside. The Aussie card is heading for downside. This is our target on the daily time frame. This is the target. So we are looking for this to come down here. We are looking for this to come down here. Okay. So we got the first one, and we go to 1 hour time frame looking for pullback. So this is your pullback. When you have any pullback up a bit here to this level, you can execute the trade down. Can this trade be giving you small sideways before it drops? Yes, it's possible. Okay, so keep a close eye on this one because we are heading back to the down. We have the first move down, we come back, we keep down, we come back. You can see clearly that we are making lower lows. Okay, so we are making, anytime you're gonna come any higher, you go for your sell. So keep your eyes on the sell. Any pullback, you sell. Any pullback, you sell. Any pullback here, you sell. Any pullback here, you sell. Any pullback here, you sell. All right. Chief, Aussie Chief as well. Also the same. It seems that Aussie has lost some energy this week. So there's not much momentum to drive him up. So he's gonna keep coming down to this level. Then from here, you look at what he's doing. This is a day candle. We have the pullback. We have another candle here. We have the pullback. So it's been consolidating for a while, and this it's like a ball bouncing on the flat floor. You got the first tank. You're gonna have the second one, either to break out and go, or it's gonna come down here. So let's clean the sell. You have this trade to take. Nice sell setup. Okay. Look for this trade, sell down here. When you get here, you might see what he's doing. If he's gonna do this and drop, or it's gonna be total upside. So you have a small sell to take. Aussie yen. Aussie yen as well, we are here already. We were looking for this sell this morning. Actually, I told the guys in my classroom to start selling. Okay. So we can look at this and we see after here. I'm expecting Aussie yen to come there down here before he drive up. Okay, we have the impulse. This is your A. The B wave has broken the top. We can get expanded at 786 here, and you go the buy. So keep a close eye on this one. This is pattern wise. This is what you're gonna get. See, it's simple. This is your A, this is your B, and this is your C. Okay. Aussie New Zealand is downside. It's a long-term downside. 3 months ago, 2 months ago, I posted this sell for everybody to trade. And if you look at that, it's clear. It has already cleared up your downside for the sell. Okay. So this is your target. This is your target. Go for it. Okay. I don't need to go to a 1 hour time frame for anybody because this is a pure sell trade. Go for this trade. Okay. Aussie dollar. So we are also selling to this level. You go first bounce and second bounce. There will be a decision making here. If this will go up or it will turn down to this level. So it's a decision here. So let's keep a close eye this week to see what it's gonna do. Card chief. It's been very, very, very slow consolidating. So I would say don't waste your time here. Okay? Don't waste your time there. Card yen as well. You'll be looking for the downside. Today, personally, I'm selling everything. I'm selling. Yen is dominating today. So this, you see here, we came here, we retest it here, we break out. We came back to retest here. So we are coming down. So where will be your target? This is your target. Sell this to this level. You have all this money to clean. You have all this profit to make. Okay. Sell this thing here. Let me put this one here. And this is your target. If you want to see a pattern, we call this a running flat. Your sharp move down and another sharp move down. Okay. Chief yen. I took a sell with my student this morning in the live room. We took a sell. We are all in the sell. All those in the room, we are all in the sell. So we are in the sell and we are looking at this pattern. That will this be the downside, or will this come and do another one here and come? But we are in the sell because we cut it here and we are holding this sell. Where is the target? It's a big downside, okay? It's a very, very big downside. So you can see there's a nice running flat in the middle. Okay, keep your eyes on the downside. Euro Oz. Euro Oz is doing his thing. He's coming to take this wick out. So you can look for your sellers here as well. It's first gonna take this today. It's gonna take this. Today you have this to buy. Just buy. Buy this to this level. Those who do short time frame, buy this thing here. When you finish here, you will see what happened today to the euro. But there's a short-term buy there. So clean it and then wait. Euro card is also looking for buyers. Euro card is making a new highs. So you're gonna look for your buy on Euro card. I'm expecting Euro to gain momentum this week. This will be a very interesting buy. It will be very, very good buy. If this has to kick on, it's gonna come up to this level. It takes this one out first. So let's see how it goes. Okay, let's buy it up here to this level. We have this money to take. There's very, very good buy here. This might be here. Okay, so your stop loss stays here and then your buy stays there. You can go for this. All right. Chief is also, we are also looking for buyers. We are looking for buyers. It's not ready. Let me clean up. Okay, it is not ready. My chart doesn't even save my work anymore. I don't know why, but it's a buy. I'm looking for buyers on the euro. Euro chief, I'm looking for buyers. Okay, this called this trend line. We call this trend line. Okay, correction and go. Euro GBP. It's also consolidating. It's making corrections, so I will let it go. Euro USD, I'm looking for buyers. I'm looking for buyers. Okay. Euro USD, I'm looking for a buy. So keep your close eye for the buy, because this is giving us an option. We have this one to take. You see, you can see that there is like a flat here, and this is a sharp move. So after here, maybe you can get this. But first, let's look for this one first. Forget about here. Focus on here. GU, so I'm looking for buys. We're gonna be looking for buy to here. Okay. You're looking for buyers there. Euro yen, we are selling. I'm looking for sell on Euro yen. We sell it to this level. Okay. Euro New Zealand, I'm looking to take a buy. Wow, it seems we are about to start the buy anyway. So yeah, we are about to start. As soon as we break it, we are going. Okay, keep a close eye here. We are about to go for the buy. All right. Keep a close eye. I have posted this on the Isaac Magic Community channel. I posted everything about this. So keep your eyes on this for the buy. It's cooking. Okay, it's cooking. Let's go for the buy. As soon as this candle break this level, this one, if this finish above here, just buy. I can't say much. It's a buy trade to take this top out. Let me show you this. This is a running flat, okay? This is your first move. You get the pullback. And this is the next move coming. This is what you are looking for. You see, very simple. Pound Oz has moved over 100 pips already this morning, so I'm expecting pullback before we go. Okay, we can get something like that before we go. So keep a close eye on it. We're gonna get something like this before we go. So keep a close eye on it. Pound card. So I'm waiting for him to get to the point of control. He will make a decision. You see, your impulse, 1, 2, 3, another impulse. Okay. Pound yen. Yesterday we spoke about pound yen. We took a pound yen buy. We are here. I took another buy this morning, but it seems it's dropping down a bit to clean up this guy, this value here. So when you reach here, we're gonna look for another buy. Some of us are in the buy already, but we are cleaning up this week. We have to take this week before we go. Okay, so look for your buys. Look for your buy. There's a strong buy coming. Okay, all right. I will stop this video now, and I would like my viewers, you can share it, like it, comment it, and subscribe it. I don't want to make the video too long. I'm gonna do another pair, but I'll try to do at least twice a week. You guys, sometimes individual pairs. Take care and have a wonderful day and enjoy your video. Bye-bye.